Punta Sur is the ultimate must-visit spot, capturing the island's beauty and history in one breathtaking location. Situated at the southernmost tip, it offers stunning views of the Caribbean Sea with dramatic cliffs and crystal clear waters that will have you snapping photos non-stop. Don't forget to check out my other Punta Sur video where I take you on a walking tour of this beautiful location. I'll leave the link at the end of this video. We are the Fishers, and we travel the world with our two small kids. However, we are so lucky to visit this incredible island 3 to 5 times per year. So if you haven't already, like this video and make sure to check out our channel for everything you need to know about this beautiful island. Cheers!